Could you tell us about your first house hack in Denver, Colorado? How'd you find it and how did you finance it?
Yeah, so I found it on the MLS. I got an awesome real estate agent in Denver. And um, for those who don't know, Denver is a very expensive market. I had high expectations at first of I would love to buy a house with some sort of additional dwelling unit in the back where I could live in the additional dwelling unit and rent out the front. But my price range was only about $270,000, and in Denver, that just isn't enough. Um, so after looking at probably 20 to 25 different houses over a couple months span, I ended up buying a townhouse in the southeast portion of Denver that at the time was a one bath or two bed, 2.5 bath townhouse, but had a unfinished basement where I saw the opportunity to build an additional bedroom. And to finance this, I used a 3.5% down FHA loan. And the reason I went FHA loan is because with my student loan debt and a lender only being able to use my base salary and not any of the commissions that I earn as a salesperson at Bigger Pockets, I had to have I had to go with as high as possible debt to income loan. And the FHA loan, of course, offers that compared to a conventional loan where they typically only go up to 50% debt to income ratio for an individual to finance a property.
Yeah, and FHA loans are great for people, first times like yourself for many reasons. For
Yeah.
that reason, debt to income. The other reason is, because it's federally backed, there are a lot looser guidelines on certain things, like getting a 3 or 4 unit is possible with an FHA, which is a little more challenging with some other loans. So it's a great first time loan for somebody doing what you're doing.
Correct. Yeah. So the FHA I recommend to people in a similar situation to mine, but if they can go a conventional loan, maybe 5 or 10% down, I think there's a lot of benefit to doing that as well. But everyone's situation is quite different.